Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Are you ready to learn? Yes, very good. So, you all are ready to learn. So, we will start our class with a very small activity. Imagine that you are going on a nature walk. When you go there, you will see, hear, smell a lot of things around you. So, what you have to do is you have to list down everything in appropriate columns and write in your notebook. In the first column, you have to write what all things you see in your journey. In the second column, you have to write what all things you hear in your journey. And in the third column, you have to write what all things you smell or sense in your journey. Okay, is it clear? Okay, children. So now we will go to our story. What is the name of the story that I taught you in the previous class? Yes, very good. The name of the story is How Far is the River? And who is the author of the story? Yes, very good. The author of the story is Ruskin Bond. So, what was the story about? The story was about an adventurous journey of a young boy who plans or decides to go in search of a river. Okay, now let's continue our story. Listen carefully. The path was steep and the boy had to run most of the time. It was a dizzy, winding path and he slipped once or twice. The hill was covered with lush green ferns. The trees were wound in creepers, and a great wild dahlia suddenly reared its golden head from the leaves and ferns. So the path or the way was very steep, and the boy had to run many times. He slipped once or twice also. The hill was covered with green ferns. What do you mean by ferns? Ferns means flowerless plants. So the hill was covered with green ferns and the trees were covered with creepers. A great dahlia suddenly raised its golden head from the leaves and ferns. What is dahlia? Dahlia is a plant with bright colored flowers. So, how was the hill? The hill was covered with green ferns. The trees were covered with creepers, and a great wild dahlia suddenly raised its golden head from the leaves and ferns. Soon the boy was in the valley and the path straightened out and rose. He met a girl who was coming from the opposite direction. She held a long curved knife with which she had been cutting grass. The bangles she wore made music when she moved her hands, and it was as though the hands spoke a language of their own. So immediately the boy reached the valley, and in the valley he saw a girl coming from the opposite direction. She carried a long curved knife with which she used to cut grass. So, what was she carrying? She carried a long curved knife which she used to cut grass. When the girl moved her hands, the bangles she wore made music as though they were speaking to each other. So, the girl was wearing bangles and it was making music as they were speaking to each other. How far is it to the river? Asked the boy. The girl had obviously never been to the river, or she may have been thinking of another one, because she said 20 miles without any hesitation. So, on seeing the girl, the boy asked the girl how far it is to the river. The girl had no idea about the distance to the river, but immediately she said 20 miles without any hesitation. What do you mean by hesitation? Hesitation means without any unwillingness. So the girl replied 20 miles without any hesitation. The boy laughed and ran down the path. A parrot suddenly screeched, flew low over his head, A flash of red and green. The bird disappeared amongst the trees. So the boy laughed on hearing the words of the girl and he continued his journey. Suddenly, he saw a parrot which was flying over his head. The parrot was screeching. What do you mean by screeching? Screeching means to cry in a high pitched voice. So, a parrot was flying over his head and the parrot was screeching. Then the bird vanished among the trees. Hope you all have understood up to this much. Now we will do another activity. The boy meets a girl on his way to the river. Describe the girl with reference to the following. Write it below. What you have to do is you have to describe where the boy saw the girl for the first time, how was her appearance, attitude and behavior. Write a small paragraph giving importance to these points. Hope you all have understood how to do this activity. After this activity, you have to write the answer for this question. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow.